Alright, here's how to fix thin content issues at scale. Now, you cannot do it at scale, but instead, what you can do is, so thin content, well, let's just consider thin. What is thin content? Thin content may be a lot of AI influence, AI slope, or it can be less information, no experience, no value added, or copied from another website, blogs. Okay, so it will be either one of these, and the best way to do is just replace an entire article. I mean, you can use tools like ChatGPT and also add this prompt at the end, or you can use tools like Arval. The link will be in the description. So replace an entire article and submit